Welcome to an episode where the Cebu Food and Wine Festival celebrates its grand opening ceremonies. It is a 2-week festival that spans across Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue, pop-up events, lunches, wine cruises, food tastings, food styling workshops, photography on everything culinary and everything of wine, liquor, spirits is out and set in Cebu, bringing in 27 chefs, national chefs, and some international chefs arriving in Cebu to be able to witness culinary elevation and innovation. In this time period, Cebu will also contribute to 200 food stamps, Tatak Pinoy, to the market. We are so excited because we're here in the festival grounds, and this year, on its 3rd year, there are 27 booths and 5 select legendary chefs today: Tatang Sartho, Reggie Espiras, Sao del Rosario, Naoki Agochi, who is from Japan, Daniel Johnston, who is from Brazil, and all these amazing chefs contributing to the culinary industry, showcasing the best of culinary talents and regional produce. I also forgot John Buenaventura, who just got awarded with an amazing award from the Middle East and Dubai on his culinary talents, and he is Filipino. Today we celebrate this Filipino, and today we savor our culture.
We would like to take the opportunity of Cebu Food and Festival to showcase some local products, some chefs also.
As we gathered here today to celebrate the flavors of Cebu, I am excited to witness the prowess, ingenuity, and resourcefulness of our local and guest chefs as they whip up existing dishes and serve masterful creations that speak beyond the colorful presentations. Truly, what an exciting 2 weeks to be in Cebu, and bends on great food, delicious wine, and good company.
May you bless the culinary future and the path forward for the Philippines. Guys, thank you for coming, and let's enjoy.
Let's count down from 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2023 is now officially open. Our chefs and our trade partners are now ready to serve all of you.
Hello, I'm Chef Tatong. I'm a restaurateur and author as well, and I'm preparing a modern version of the 𝗙𝗶𝘀 using beef short ribs, and it will be served with creamy polenta.
So, hi, I'm John Buenaventura. I'm one of the chefs here in Cebu and Food and Wine Festival. Today we're going to be making something from Cebu, so we're using 2 top ingredients, the Cebu dried mangoes and of course the saang. So we're doing a adobo version of the Wagyu short ribs with a bit of mango, and then we're doing a broth of saang. So we boiled the saang and then we changed the texture so it's really soft, because usually it's very tough. So I hope you guys come join us and taste our food. It's very, very good. Thank you.
From the City of 𝗙𝗲𝘁 Tourism Office, and we're serving the best lechon, not only in Cebu but the entire Philippines, 𝗙𝗲𝘁 lechon.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Chef Alan Barrios. I am the Executive Pastry Chef for Crimson Resort Mactan, and today I'm going to offer all the guests 3 kinds of desserts. First is our signature halo-halo. This is a typical halo-halo, but the approach will be different. Yeah, it will be served with the leche flan ice cream with 𝗙𝗀𝘁𝗶 and also ube cotton candy on top. The second dessert will be the tupig. This is very popular in the Ilocos region, especially in Pangasinan. It is made out of glutinous flour, shredded meat, and the way I do it, I'm going to put langka and banana saba inside. And the third will be the patupat, which is like puso. It is cooked in coconut water and palm sugar. And it will be served with sesame seeds as well and coconut Malibu sauce. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our desserts for today.
Hi, I'm Chef Daniel, and today we're here at Crimson Resort and Spa. So this is where I work. This is the company I work for, which is Crimson Resort and Spa in Mactan. So today, guys, what I've got a Southeast Asian concept to what we're going to be doing when we're going to open a zoo. So eventually when we do the grand opening, it's just a teaser of what we're going to actually show you there. So here I have a mixture for a trio of satay. Okay, we're using some local ingredients today because the concept and the theme is local inspired dishes from Cebu. So I have the local rice and trying to keep a balance between what we will do in a zoo to tease you and then the same trying to use something local. So as you can see here, we've got a lovely local rice which is from Cebu, okay? So I have the trio of satay, so we've got our chara, we've got our local rice and then a trio of pork, chicken and prawns. Okay, finished with a peanut sauce, which is traditional, what you do in Thailand. And then over here, guys, so here we have a croquette. So these ones we've done with 𝗙ście, so we've done it traditionally with the jowl, with the ears, and we make our 𝗙ście as you would expect. And then the aioli is basically like an emulsion that we've done with 𝗏𝗏𝗏 vinegar. So it's like a local vinegar again, and we're using it with the 𝗙ście to keep with the concept of local ingredients. This one over here is going to be our tandoori. So we have tandoori chicken, which we cook in the tandoori oven. We serve this with a basmati rice and a mint yogurt. So as well with this dish, it's another teaser of what we're going to do when we do the big opening for a zoo and what we'll expect, okay? And then over here,
Once again, we'd like to welcome everyone to the grand tasting of the third Cebu
I have
Wine
the
Festival
𝗏𝗏𝗀. So this is done, which is the ceviche, or as we know locally is a 𝗏𝗏𝗀. So I've done it with a scallop, so it's a US scallop. And we finish this with the native coconut vinegar, okay? And then we finish it with pickled onions and coriander oil. So that's the dishes for today. Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vilma of Farmer Bing, and we are having our ice cream, which is all natural, and then it's based real fruit ice cream. And we have a lot of flavor that is fruit, real fruit, that is the guyabano, ubi, butong, gabi, manga, lychee, avocado, nangka, rosel, nangka, ug kasoy, and then we have the heritage food, the budbud kabog of katmon, which we mix in mango. So we also have the king of fruit, the durian. Then we have mani og saging. That's our flavors.
The Golden Puso Award has been conceptualized by the organizing committee as a symbol not only of the indigenous, the popular puso of Cebu, but also as a symbol of the heart and soul of Cebu culture. So this is aligned to our theme of savor the culture, which really reminds everyone that it's not only about enjoying the food or the wine that you are having tonight, but the people who brought it in, the people who made it, the talents, the ingredients, the suppliers, the farmers and the fishermen, and everybody who forms part of this wonderful experience.
have to admit that tourism is coming back to Cebu. So while all the GMs love to complain, we are happy that occupancy is increasing. And tonight is a testament to the fact that the food of Cebu is an incredible attraction to tourists. And I'm really proud to be a part of this, that we're starting to showcase the food of Cebu as an attraction. Why not? People should want to come here for the food. We have fantastic food.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2023!
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was an amazing feel. Everything is feeling alive after the grand tasting kickoff. The fireworks explosion has been amazing. The chefs, it's like one big happy celebration of culinary fireworks of every local ingredient. Behind me is the puso, celebrated as the main highlight of our festival. Cebu has so much to offer, and now Cebu is ready to take on the world. Thank you for joining us. My name is Kate Dychangco-Anzani, and we bring you the Cebu Food and Wine Festival. Enjoy it. It's running for 2 weeks, June 3 to 17, all around the city. And go check the website www.cebufoodandwinefestival.com to check all the schedules of the chefs, the schedules of the tasting, the restaurants, the pop-ups. Enjoy it. This is for you, Cebu.